So, guys, I definitely see a lot of motherfuckers struggling for product research. A lot of it. A lot of them. Because, of course, we all understand that we can make products profitable. We can make it with our, you know, we can make sales with our fucking VSLs and research and everything. But, of course, you're going to need a good product. A good business revolves around a good product. If you have a good offer, which includes the product, you already did step one, right? And a lot of people are struggling with this. Now, before I, go into how we've chosen all of our winning products, all of our brands, exactly how we did it. I want to mention I'm even not the best. I'm not even the best. I'm gonna try to tell fucking maybe Jason, my partner, to make a video on product research. He'll probably explain it way better than me. But as of now, he is the GOAT. He's chosen all our products. I actually am telling you right now, I lack. I lack a big part of my lack in skills is product research. But this is not from me. This is coming from Jason. The information I'm about to show today, and you're gonna learn a lot because this guy is the GOAT at fucking product research, man. This guy, he knows everything. You can give him one fucking letter of a product, and you'll be like, oh yeah, he has the whole product database in his brain. I don't know how. He is a robot when it comes to this shit. But basically, I'm gonna go ahead and choose kind of a winning product for you to run, and hopefully, because again, I see it. Jason chooses winning products in like 10 minutes. Like, it's easy for him. It's so easy, right? So I'm going to try to replicate that. And I'm going to explain to you why we choose it. Of course, a lot of people don't understand the why, and that's why it's super important, because you can't just copy paste shit, okay? You can't copy paste. But if you understand the fundamental, if you understand the psychology, the philosophy, the fundamental of why we do things, that's where you get to go and be a free bird. You get to go and live your own life because you can make your own business decisions and fucking win. All right? So, first and foremost, before I get into why I choose things, let's actually go ahead and maybe choose a product. And I'm going to then explain to you what you have to do to choose it and the mindset behind it. So, first and foremost, really simple. And yeah, you can go on Kalo data, bro. Like, there's nothing wrong with Kalo data. I'll definitely go like, okay, let's move this. I'll definitely go on revenue trend. I think I'll do growing. Of course, category is important. I'm just gonna do beauty and personal care because we love that shit, and health. Apply. Submit. And a lot of you motherfuckers are looking at products and testing products here, first of all, which you're a bit retarded if you do. Definitely skip all the way. Like, I actually even want, 50 things, right? And then I actually really want to go even deeper. Like, I don't know. Let's go. Okay, I think here. Oh, shit. All right, so we're forced to. Okay, maybe start from page 7. Hopefully we can find something, right? Hair root revival. Okay, it's a bundle. Yeah, these are good products, but they're bundled, so fuck that. It's a good product, but I think we already chose that one in like a public research. I just want to, bro, guys, like, don't get this analysis paralysis shit. Like, just, it's Metacube. Fuck Metacube. Don't choose Metacube products. That's another thing. They will fucking ban your ass. Hand massager? That's not bad, to be honest. I actually, like, this could be good. Can I just, okay, let's just keep it there. I maybe feel like we could do a bit better. I'm not gonna lie. Something quick, because I gotta get to the fundamental. But something that looks good. All right. Freckles, fuck that. Freckles ain't it, bro. Sperm health? Really? Sheesh. Yeah, sperm health? Nah. Sperm health? Nah. Are we doing sperm health? Really? Nah. Moringa? I don't like moringa. Too basic, Doctor here, nano sized. Let's see this. What is this? TX cream. Something called tranexamic acid. Okay, what does it do? Let's just see quick. What, like, these people, it's all fucking Spanish. This is my 2.5 months using it, and my scars. Oh, is it? It's a skincare thing. It could be good, actually.
Y'all, this Dr. Malexin product is no joke. It's low-key getting me right. Wait, hold up. I'm going to show you how to apply it and stuff. By the way, this product is made for dark spots, uneven skin, and stuff like that. And if y'all don't know, y'all need to apply diacetylamide to your skin to get rid of dark spots and stuff. Just wait till the end. Y'all going to see how good this stuff works.
It's a good product, honestly. Okay, wait. Should I eat, I think just for the video's sake, but it is a good product, actually. No joke. All right. So, good product. It solves dark spots. I'm assuming, acne scars. Does it do wrinkles? Yeah, so they're doing dark spots. Okay. Okay, so dark spots, let's say. Intensive care for freckles and hyperpigmentation. So already, I already know. This would be a banger. Hyperpigmentation for black women. I already know. Because I do my research. I know my shit. Anyways. Oh, shit. Where's the Miro board? Okay. First, foremost. Actually, let's look at the ingredients here. Tranexamic and niacinamide. So I already know niacinamide is a great product, a great ingredient. Let's see what tranexamic is. Tranexamic. Let's see what that brings up. Tranexamic acid. So what does it do? Do I have to go to ChatGPT, bro? What does it do? Tranexamic acid is used to treat heavy menstrual bleeding in women. Okay. Does tranexamic acid help with dark spots, I guess. Dark spots. Hyperpigmentation or something. Yes, tranexamic can be effective in reducing the appearance of dark spots. It works by inhibiting the production of melanin, the pigment response to skin color, and interfering with the interactions between skin cells. All right. So it works. It's true. It's great. This is a good product. Why? Let me explain why. Because you guys don't fucking think about this. This is a GOAT from Jason. And this is the biggest word you can think about in product research. Root cause. What is the root cause? A lot of you motherfuckers are choosing these products. I don't even know how you're choosing the products. Is it because it gets sales or views or this and that? But it's fucking basic. No fundamental behind it. Fucking root cause. What does the root cause mean? Well, I've actually, having multiple successful brands now, I can see a click between each and every product. And that's something. When I didn't have winning brands, I always said, what is a fundamental aspect that each winning brand or a successful brand has, right? So I can learn it and improve it, because I don't want these examples that it's just an example. I understood even from when I first started, because I had a brain cell, that there has to be some similarities and common patterns between winning marketing. And what we've realized is the root cause. What is the root cause? Meaning that this is our main message, main marketing angle for everything. Okay? You want to solve. You want to solve X. Right? Let's say I'm talking to the customer. You want to solve X reason. You want to solve X pain. You want to solve dark spots. This is a perfect example. Well, what you use now doesn't work. Okay? So what you're using right now, when you're trying to solve your dark spots, I have no idea what the fuck you're using. You got to do some research. It's not working. Why? Because, let's see, because, okay, whatever, because you're not solving root cause. All right. This is the main message of most of our, if anything, our whole brand is you want to solve darks. So let's say for this brand, this product that we chose, you want to, and okay, let me just read this out and I'll explain. You want to solve X, you want to solve dark spots, but what you're using now doesn't work. The creams you're using, the oils you're using, it doesn't work. Why? Because you're not solving the root cause. What the root cause is actually extra melanin, extra pigment and melanin in your skin color, and caused by whatever because of your skin color, your extra UV rays, damage, whatever it may be. So you actually need tranexamic acid and niacinamide because this goes and solves the root cause. What it does is it's affected by reducing spots and hyperpigment. It works by inhibiting the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for skin color and failure. And basically this is it. Yes. So that's why people will now buy, because you just did a great job of choosing a product that actually solves a root cause. You're trying to solve people's real problem. I think that's why a lot of people overlook is they're trying, like, you're just looking at fucking numbers and data and trying to see, like, oh my god, does it have hype? Is it a trend? Is it a trend upwards? No, I went on Kalo. Took me fucking 5 minutes. Kalo's not a bad software. But I scroll first of all the way to the fucking back because I don't want to fucking use shit that every fucking dumb dropshipper is using. Chose a product there, understood the solution mechanism, which is the ingredients, which is tranexamic acid and niacinamide. See what it does. Okay, now it solves dark spots, the root cause of dark spots. So my product actually works. Now, of course, I maybe have to state this. I don't know. Make sure you can list it. Make sure your product actually has the ingredients. If you go on CJ and find this product, hopefully you can find it. Hopefully you can get it sourced. Hopefully you can have good margins. All of this stuff, right? But no one fucking thinks of this shit. You're just thinking such surface level bullshit. You need to think about the root cause. And it took me a fucking 5 minutes to just choose a product. No product analysis bullshit. Didn't hesitate. Didn't wait. Just had a fucking eye for it, which you'll develop over time, of course. And then understand and do it took me fucking, look, this video, I don't even know. It's going to be under 20 minutes. So all of this with my yapping of explanation, it's going to take you less than 20 minutes for you to just do a quick research to understand what the unique solution mechanism is. Does it solve the root cause? And then you can use that as your fucking VSL marketing, direct response marketing weapon of you are trying to solve this, but you can't solve it because you're using creams and you're using oils and it just doesn't work because it's not solving the root cause. But this niacinamide and tranexamic acid works because it solves the root cause. There you go. Like, it's so not complicated, but yet you don't know this, and I don't blame you. I didn't even know this until the GOAT, my partner, introduced this concept to me, because it's just something you need to fucking, like, it's a fundamental, and it's like actually the fundamental of solving a real problem. And by the way, I chose this product because dark spots on your face is a problem people fucking care about. It is what I like to call a bleeding neck problem. Imagine I cut my neck. You think I'd finish this video? Fuck no. I'd go in the hospital. I don't know. But the idea is it's a problem that they care about and they think about pretty much daily. Maybe it's not painful, but I guarantee you, if they don't like the dark spots on their face, they wake up and check themselves in the mirror and be like, fuck. It's like a pimple, right? Like, fuck, bro, it's in my face, bro. Like, it's annoying. It affects my confidence. It affects my beauty. I'm shy. I'm insecure. It is a prominent problem in their life. Understand that your product needs to solve the root cause. Root cause. As is the word of the magic word of today's video. Root fucking cause. Hopefully, I get to fucking make Jason have a video. He'll probably explain this better than I am. But right now, this is all you need to know moving forward. This is the fundamental. All right. Thank you for watching. And of course, if you want to know more about this, I'm pretty sure this is a video in my course, but this might be posted on YouTube. This is like a little taste of all the fucking value. If you want, that's a sale. I just did a hard sale, bro. That's so gay. Just check the link below. That's it. I won't say anything else. I'm sorry. I had to. I'm just sorry. I provide so much value. I think that's what I believe. I'm convicted in my product. I'm convicted in what... Anyways. Sorry. I'm sorry. Forgive me, please. Please forgive me. I'm not a guru, I promise. Anyways, I'm just trying to help. See you at the fucking... Okay. This is basically the fundamental of our product selection for 6-figure brands. Thank you for watching. Nothing else to be said. I'll see you at the fucking top.